Prescription painkillers, oxycodone and hydrocodone, accounted for 210,000 overdose deaths from 2006 to 2019. That works out to 16,153 deaths per year. By comparison, in the United States, according to the FBI Uniform Crime Report, the total number of firearm homicides, and that's everything, mass shootings, spree shootings, crime, all of it, accounts for 11,014 deaths per year, or less. Where these two prescription painkillers alone account for over 16,000 deaths annually, and choking on your food account for over 5,500 deaths annually, the AR-15 works out to 389 deaths per year in homicides. So why is there a focus on the AR-15, but prescription drugs, which are much deadlier, seem to get a free pass?
That only 2 countries in the whole world allow prescription pharmaceuticals to be advertised on TV. One of those countries is us, where over $1 billion a month is spent on ads that